Well, hello, friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. Hopefully, everybody is having a fantastic day. If this is your first time here, we would love to have you. Just click that subscribe button, turn on that bell ringer, and you would not miss anything, my friend. Today, we are starting our first day of class for everyone who is receiving their certificate for their floral arrangement. So let's get started. Okay, now team, for everyone who is participating in this class, I personally sent everybody out an email letting you know that this one is going to be basic for this Wednesday, which is today. Next week, we're going to take it up a notch. Now, I got these bouquet of flowers from Hobby Lobby. Of course, we're all familiar with Hobby Lobby flowers, right? Now, the reason why I chose these is because they're already full. So that's why I use Hobby Lobby flowers. But you can use Dollar Tree if you want to. Now, I just took off the roses that I needed. So I just, disattached what I needed for this tutorial. This tutorial is going to be very easy and it's going to be very elegant at the same time. So I just disattached what I needed, and the flowers came to about, I think it was $11.99 with 50% off. So there you go, letting you know that they're 50% off this week. And I'm just going to take that rose and I'm going to stick it right there where you see that hole at in the back side of this flower. Now you can use hot glue for this technique. I am just locking it in. It's something about me with a locking method, everyone. So I'm just going to place it in, twist it, and you can use E6000 or you can use hot glue if you like. Now I'm just removing the hot glue. You guys know how I feel about it. It'd be pretty much everywhere. Now you can twist it around the other way where the larger flower is like, more blossom, has more attention, it makes more of a statement. Or you can have it on the other side where it shows the rose. So it's all up to you. Now I have a tutorial right there, everyone. Now it is old, but what I did was just remove the pearl garland that I made from off of that organizer and placed it right here on this wine glass. Mind you that all the wine glasses come from the Dollar Tree. Now I also have another one because I did two in that tutorial, and I'm going to place this one underneath the wine glass. Now there we go, we have our pearl garland on the bottom. We're going to place our flowers right here on the side, and there I have everything in place like I want to, and we're going to collaborate everything together at the end. However, I want to do some things to the wine glass. I'm going to use two to the wine glass in order for it to make a more bolder statement on a very inexpensive budget. So I have these wine glasses from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use a tea light candle holder, place some hot glue right there on the bottom. And then when I do that, I'm going to place it on the bottom of the wine glass. You all have seen me do this technique before. You're going to hold it down to make sure that it's secure. Now I'm going to place a brooch onto this design. It is not mandatory that you place a brooch on it, my friend, when you submit your pictures in. It is totally optional. Now I'm taking some hot glue, placing it onto the top part of the brooch. Once I have done that, now I'm going to adhere it to the top part of the tea light candle holder. Make sure you hold it until it has adhered very well, because it will come off. This is what it should look like, my friends. That is very easy and simple. And we're going to move on to our next wine glass. All right, so let's start working on brooch number 2. I do apologize for not doing this in the camera. However, all I did was just took the hot glue, placed it right there on the back side of my brooch, and then I'm just adhering it to my wine glass, but I'm not doing it directly in the center. I'm going to take my brooch and place it like on the side, tilt it to the side just a little bit, because I want it to have its own unique style. Remember in the first part of the video, I told you that we're going to just collaborate everything all together so you can see the overall look. And this is how it turned out, my friends. All I did was just took that 8-pack of the lights that you can get from the Dollar Tree, place one in one, place one in the other, and this is what we have, a very inexpensive DIY. So you all let me know what you think down below. I will be available for 1 hour if you have any questions. Thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. I appreciate each and every last one of you. Blessings abundantly, and guess what? Lord willing, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.